Hello, today we are going to make washing machine. Let us see what components we will need. The washing machine print, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a motor, a switch, the motor lifter cardboards, and some double-sided tape.
Firstly, let's color the image with some crayons or sketch pen.
After coloring is done, cut out the inner circle with the utility knife.
Now let's begin the next process. Cut 2 pieces of small double-sided tape and stick both of them on the front and the back of the motor. Now take the motor lifter cardboard and stick on the double-sided tape. Now take 2 another small pieces of double-sided tape and stick it on the side of the battery. Now stick the motor cardboard on the battery. Make sure you have pushed the cardboard a bit so it can attach to the battery properly. Now attach the battery connector on the battery. Now take the negative wire of the battery connector and connect it to a wire of the motor. Twist it to secure it properly. Now take 2 tiny slim pieces of double-sided tape and stick both of them on the shaft of the motor like this. Make sure the upper parts of the double-sided tape are not touching. Now take another similar tiny piece of double-sided tape and stick it on the other double-sided tapes exactly like this, making a T.
Now put the circuit inside the washing machine. Now take the switch and stick it on the drawing where the switch is supposed to be. Now connect the other wire of the motor to one end of the switch. Then take the red wire of the connector and connect it to the other end of the switch. Now, if the switch is pressed, the motor moves. Lastly, we're going to remove the paper from the double-sided tape and attach the washing machine circular cutout on it.
Our washing machine craft is ready. Let's check the output. Thanks for watching.